Andy with 2 months. Torlina, 14. 106. Live 24/7 stream with the tier 1. 2. I think that's the last number. 150, new code? All right. Bezo with $10 mechanic change would you hope to see in the new season? I want new edits, new guns, just completely brand new mechanics. Like, I want to be able to dodge roll. No, I'm kidding. But, like, just go out there, man. Fortnite needs to just show us why they're the best and just go out there. I didn't have a mediocre translation. Okay. The visitor's audio, 11th word, 146th word, 15th word, 62nd word, 87th word. Okay. I was not alone. Others were outside the loop. I was not alone. Others were outside the loop. So that was what the visitor was saying. All those words from that audio clip, the 11th word, the 146th word, the 15th word, the 62nd word, the 87th word, 144th word, 106th, 2nd, and 50th. If you read it out, it says, I was not alone, others were outside the loop. That's what the message means. That has to be it. That's the translation. It means there are other forms of life. Raketa Girl, the 500 bits. This is my second day on Twitch, and this is wild. Yo, you're having a crazy second day, honestly. This is ridiculous. Next line was, this was not calculated. The 0 point is now inevitable. Also, instead of where, it might be R. That means the other numbers have been leaked, right? Because in order to have this message, the other numbers have to be leaked. Got bought over the 3 months. Break this event. Okay, so the actual event, like the in-game event, is easily one of the best events I've ever had. It's easily one of the best. This is going to be the longest I haven't played Fortnite since launch. People are saying that, based off of the code on the website, that it's going to last until Tuesday. Like, I don't know what the deal is here. Dude, honestly, I know for a fact. That's the thing. It's funny. I know for a fact there are kids out there right now bursting into tears over this because they might actually think that Fortnite is being deleted. No! I just got a skin! This is not even... We're not even talking, like, potential reality. This is happening as we speak. 69! 69! 69! You guys were... 69? I thought you guys were trolling me. 146. 146. 15. 15. 36 right here. 36. 2. The number 2 is up. The number 2 is on the screen. That means there's going to be more numbers coming in. More numbers will be coming in the next few minutes. 176. 176. I don't know if you guys see it. It's kind of hard to see it. It's a little dark, but it's right here. 176. 8. This should be the last line of the message. This should be the last line. 160. 65. 112,000 viewers. What the hell?
The young Scythe God.
Yo, what's going on, man?
What's up, bro? And then everybody in my chat is like, "Yo, hit up Cypher. He has the lowdown." So this is how we are here.
Okay, the event happened, and then every couple of hours, there's been these numbers that are coming up on the screen.
Okay.
And we wrote down the numbers, and there was a message, like a really long voice message that was in the game, like from part of the challenges that you do. There's a message from the visitor. Like each word he says is numbered. Like, got you. So we deciphered a message that says, I was not alone, others were outside the loop, This was not calculated. The moment is now inevitable, or the 0 point is now inevitable. I don't know which one is which, but I don't really know what that means. There's a lot of speculation. But then there's some leaks where people are saying that, you know, the servers are going to be down until Tuesday, because like in the logs it says like this thing's happening until like Tuesday morning. So yeah, I guess that's really all I know. And I've been sitting here looking at this black hole for like almost 10 hours. We're saying something happened at 3:03, 5:05, 7:07, 9:09. So 11:11.
Yo, 11:11. Oh,
but like how crazy do you think they are to actually have something like happen this late on a school night kind of deal?
Oh, there's no school tomorrow.
It's Columbus Day. Columbus discovered a new world, and there's gonna be a new Fortnite map. Yo, they really went deep on this, bro. Like this is like national treasure, bro. Few minutes.
And what?
A lot more than before. 146.
Son. 146.
Dude, is it repeating the message?
Okay, well I'm on this tweet real quick.
Just tweet
real quick. Okay, all right, yo, Ninja, I'm telling you right now. Oh man, I'm about to be so tight.
Is that it? 250, bro.
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
new tweet. I'm gonna hit play on 3.
All right, let me mute the game. All right, I'm ready.
Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Tacos?
Yeah, wait, what?
Taco Tuesday. It's coming back Tuesday, which we kind of knew already.
I think Epic Games hit up Ninja because he has the biggest reach.
Yeah.
And they were like, hey, listen, man, people are kind of like ODing right now looking at this this black hole. So like, why don't you go ahead and just like let them know something's going down on Tuesday? That's probably what happened.
But no, I still think that Tuesday will get back on the game. Like this has been such a slow process. I don't think we're just gonna go from this to just logging into season 11. Like this is gonna be like a prolonged event. I feel like because if you're just having the game down like this for this long, like I feel like they're trying to tell a story. They're trying to like make this a really moment. You guys can help us out with some of the clips that you guys are about to see. Hopefully we can save Fortnite. Like the video if you enjoy.
Dude, why do I get this weird feeling that they're actually gonna cancel Fortnite?
Stop, bro! Don't say that.
I got a weird feeling, bro. Like the blacked out Twitter.
Is an Easter egg for sure.
How do you do the Easter egg? I'm logging in.
If you're on that blue like dot screen, up, down, left, right, A, B, enter.
Up, down, up, down.
Yeah, I didn't know what you meant at first.
Okay.
I'm gonna be taken off.
If this is like a real high score leaderboard for this mini game.
Up, down,
Left, right,
it's
left,
the
A, B,
Konami
code.
I got it. This video, and you're not currently subscribed to the new YouTube channel, More Cypher BK, you should subscribe right now. Help us reach 100K. Guys, in this video, we show some of the hints, some of the clues that we've discovered about the Fortnite black hole. Maybe you guys can help us out with some of the clips that you guys are about to see. Hopefully we can save Fortnite. Like the video if you enjoy.
Dude, why do I get this weird feeling that they're actually gonna cancel Fortnite?
Stop, bro! Don't say that.
I got a weird feeling, bro. Like the blacked out Twitter.
This is an Easter egg for sure.
How do you do the Easter egg? I'm logging in.
If you're on that blue like dot screen, up, down, left, right, A, B, enter.
Up, down,
Yeah, I didn't know what you meant at first.
Okay.
I'm gonna be taken off.
If this is like a real high score leaderboard for this mini game.
Up, down,
Left, right,
it's
left,
the
A, B,
Konami
enter.
code.
I got it.
I'm going to be the first one to set the high score on this mini game, and I'm going to get us all into Fortnite. Downtime for a day or two, they at least give us a hint.
Oh, 146 on the screen. It says 146.
What does that mean?
I don't know, but I just heard the music changed, and then 146 appeared on the screen.
What is 146?
Okay, I exited out of the game. I exited out of the game.
46 seconds or
146
or at.
Okay, it's moving. It's moving.
Parts
It's
are
moving.
changing. Yeah. There's just a little noise. Wait, what was that?
It says 15.
Oh, 15.
15.
15 at the top. What is that, bro? What is that?
Wait, people are saying there was 11 before this, so 11, 1, 4, 6, 15.
Oh, we got another one. 52.
62. 11, 1, 4, 6, 15, 62. So basically, something within the 2 hours, something should be happening. Oh, 87. 87. And there was like a long break in between, so maybe this is like a whole new. Raouf, CND with 2 months. Torlina, 14. 106. Live 24/7 stream with the tier 1. 2. I think that's the last number. 150, new code? All right. Bezo with $10. What mechanic change would you hope to see in the new season? I want new edits, new guns, just completely brand new mechanics. Like, I want to be able to dodge roll. No, I'm kidding. But, like, just go out there, man. Fortnite needs to just show us why they're the best and just go out there. I didn't have a mediocre translation. Okay. The visitor's audio, 11th word, 146th word, 15th word, 62nd word, 87th word. Okay. I was not alone. Others were outside the loop. I was not alone. Others were outside the loop. So that was what the visitor was saying. All those words from that audio clip, the 11th word, the 146th word, the 15th word, the 62nd word, the 87th word, 144th word, 106th, 2nd, and 50th. If you read it out, it says, I was not alone. Others were outside the loop. That's what the message means. That has to be it. That's the translation. It means there are other forms of life. Arcata Girl, the 500 bits. This is my second day on Twitch, and this is wild. Yo, you're having a crazy second day, honestly. This is ridiculous. Next line was, this was not calculated. The 0 point is now inevitable. Also, instead of where, it might be R. That means the other numbers have been leaked, right? Because in order to have this message, the other numbers have to be leaked. Got fired with the 3 months. Break this event. Okay, so the actual event, like the in-game event, is easily one of the best events I've ever had. It's easily one of the best. This is going to be the longest I haven't played Fortnite since launch. People are saying that based off of the code on the website, that it's going to last until Tuesday. Like, I don't know what the deal is here. Dude, honestly, I know for a fact. That's the thing. It's funny. I know for a fact there are kids out there right now bursting into tears over this because they might actually think that Fortnite is being deleted. No! I just got a skin! This is not even... We're not even talking, like, potential reality. This is happening as we speak. 69! 69! 69! You guys were... 69? I thought you guys were trolling me. 146. 146.